Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here, and today I'm going to share with you how you can use those roses that you've received or grown to make all of these products that you see here, from rose salve to face mask powder, face serum, infused oils, tinctures, herbal teas. And this is all part of a Cupid's Creation collaboration. Down in the description box is more information and other great ideas for Valentine's Day that you can check out. But this is an herbal DIY. I'll tell you a little bit why you would like to make these things and how they're good for you as well. We're going to start with the herbal tea, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, here's what I'm going to be using in my tea. These are some roses from my roses. I've only got a couple of rose hips in there. So I'm also going to be including these rose hips. I've got some hibiscus here. I've got some gotu kola right here. And this is oat straw that you see right here. So for this tea blend I'm sharing, I've got rose petals and rose hips included. Also some oat straw and some hibiscus. And it makes a beautifully colored tea, and it's also great for you. It's great for your heart, great for your nervous system. And did you know rose petals are actually uplifting? They're an antidepressant, and they're also great at reducing chronic stress and fatigue. And look at the beautiful color that you see in this tea blend here. The rose hips also add a lot of vitamin C, vitamin A. They're anti-aging because of the antioxidants. It's just a great tea. All right, now let's make some salve. And here's the rose salve. It's just a beautiful salve. And what's great about this is it's great for inflammation. It can be used even for pain relief, although it is very mild. You'd want to include other things. It can work great on your face to treat acne. It's antifungal and antibacterial. And apricot kernel oil is one of my favorite face oils. It's high in vitamin E and just great for your skin, great for producing collagen and increasing elasticity. And rose also does the same thing. So I thought these would make the perfect combo. And I took about 3/4 of a jar of roses, covered those with apricot kernel oil, and there you go. And you might be wondering, does the oil smell like roses? Yes, it does. It smells amazing. All right, I've got 4 ounces of my rose oil here. And to this, I'm going to add in an ounce of beeswax. And I'm using white beeswax. You could also use shea butter, would be really nice to put in this too, but I'm doing this quick and easy for you all. So I'm just going to add in the beeswax, and we're going to heat this up until the beeswax gets melted. I'm probably going to add in a little bit of my rose powder. And once those melt, I'm going to add the rose powder and then pour them in these cute little tins. Aren't they adorable? So I can make rose salves and also some lip balm. It's kind of the same thing if you think about it. So here you just see me filling those up. Once you fill them up, you've got to let them cool completely at room temperature before you put the lid on. And then they're perfectly transportable everywhere you go. And I just love these. Great for gifting. And great to just have in your little medicine cabinet. Now, let's go ahead and start making some of the face mask powder and the face serum. Here I've got 1/3 of a cup of rose petal powder. I actually bought this powder. You can make this yourself. You can see this is organic food grade and no chemicals, no pesticides, but you could dry your flowers and make this too. I just knew I wasn't going to have enough. So I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup of those rose petal powders. Here I have about 1/3 of a cup of oatmeal powder. So I'm going to add this in also. And I'm adding in 1/3 of a cup of white kaolin clay. So here is our powder blend we're going to be using for the face mask. Let me get this blended up and I'll show you what else we're going to add to this. So I chose these 3 ingredients because the rose powder is anti-inflammatory. It's also great for aging skin, so it's going to reduce and prevent wrinkles and also get rid of any redness. The kaolin clay is a great detox, and the oatmeal itself is a great exfoliator, just a great combination here. And I will put these in little containers that are just adorable. Now we need to do the liquid part of this mask. Look at these adorable bottles. So what we're going to be making next is the liquid component that's going to go along with the face mask that we've already created, the face mask powder. And I'm going to throw all kinds of good stuff in here. So what you're seeing here in this lineup, front and center, is aloe gel. I did go with about 2 ounces of aloe gel, and I need 4 ounces of these extracts. So I had to combine quite a few, but I got a good combination. We've got carob extract, geranium, which again is poor man's rose, green tea extract, chamomile extract, lavender extract, carrot seed extract, vitamin E, and I'll also be adding in 4 milliliters of rose essential oil. Now, while I'm adding all of these in there, I just want to speak a little bit to these ingredients. They're all great for your face. They do different things. I've also added in rose hip seed oil, which is different than just rose hip infused oil. But these are all great for your face. The vitamin E helps it to last longer. And this is great. Like, once you mix this up, you can not only use it for the face mask, but you can use it as a face serum. So that's what's wonderful about these bottles. Also, how you make this is you're going to put 2 teaspoons of powder into your container, and then you're going to add in 4 milliliters of your face serum, and then you'll add water till you get to a good consistency. And then you're ready to apply it to your skin. That right there is about enough for your face. That consistency, and let it dry. It smells amazing. And look what a great gift set this is to give to someone, or just to use for yourself even. The quality is a lot better than what you're going to buy at the store too. That's the funnest part about this. I hope you all enjoyed this video today, and I hope it gave you some great ideas for how you can use those roses that you either grow or get gifted. And remember to check out all of the other Cupid's Creations videos that are down in the description box below. And if you're looking for another video on how you can make a whole lot of stuff out of some of the herbs you grow, check your right-hand corner at the top here, and that'll share with you another video from my collection here on this channel that you can go check out. Thanks so much, and until I see y'all next time, remember everybody, keep your joy.